I let it fall, my heart, as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands feel strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you say, they were never true. And the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned and I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flame. Well, I burned when I cried 'cause I heard him screaming out your name. Your name. I set fire.